Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft Authenticator step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. If this is your first time using the app, you may be prompted to grant necessary permissions. Tap on the Add Account option to get started. You will typically see options for different types of accounts. Select the type of account you wish to add, such as personal or work or school. For Microsoft accounts, choose the Personal Account or Work or School Account option. After selecting the account type, you may be asked to sign in. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account and tap Next. Now, enter your password and select Sign In. Depending on your account settings, if prompted, select your preferred method of verification, such as phone or email. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity. Once verified, you will see a screen indicating that your setup is almost complete. Next, tap the Finish button to finalize the registration of your account. The app will now generate a unique code for your account. This code typically refreshes every 30 seconds for added security. To use the app for authentication, simply open it when signing in to your Microsoft account. Select the account you wish to use, and the app will display the current verification code. Enter this code into the login page of your Microsoft account. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Microsoft Authenticator for enhanced security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.